Installation requirements for the air scrubber modules. We are going to have a look at the electrical requirements, water requirements, wastewater requirements, and acid, alkaline and safety requirements. The electrical requirements. The local dealer or customer must provide power to the air scrubber. The power and voltage is depending on the country. The breaker size has to be determined locally, because this is depending on the cable distance. In the technical room there are two connection points, one for the main power to the air scrubber and one for the lighting as shown with the arrows. Also you need an internet connection to the computer. Water requirements. The amount of water needed are 30 liters per minute at a 2-bar pressure for the air scrubber. The emergency shower needs 90 liters of water per minute at a 3-bar pressure, and that must be uninterrupted. It's preferred that the water is of drinking water quality, so piped water. It should have a redox value of 280 mV. The scrubber comes with a standard 32 mm connection, and we will provide water adapters so you can connect more easily to our air scrubbers. The piping should enter the technical room from the pressure chamber. By doing so, the piping is protected against frost. Wastewater. The amount of wastewater is depending on the situation. The pump can push the water up to 8 meters high. It comes with a 32 mm connection, which then can push the water up to 10 meters out. If you want to push it further away than 10 meters, you will need a 63 mm connection pipe. And above 40 meters you have to calculate the pipe dimensions yourself. All the pipe work should be sloped back towards the technical room, so that the water always runs back to the technical room. After a drain cycle is run, the water will then always flush back to the technical room. By doing so, this pipework is protected against frost. If you want to put the piping in the ground, check your local legislations about this. Acid, alkaline and safety requirements. A chemical air scrubber uses sulfuric acid up to 98%. Biological air scrubbers uses sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. All the piping will be done in double-walled way, so the tubes will be put into a PVC pipe, and all the connections must not be glued together. Safety requirements. The safety requirements we will provide are a face shield, front apron, PVC gloves, eye wash bottle in a bracket, emergency shower, and this must be hanged up in the technical room. Here we have a 3D example of the acid room, where there is the emergency shower with the water connection to it, the safety equipment in the cabinet, eye wash bottle, the acid and alkaline pumps with the lenses that you put into the tanks. Keep in mind that these pumps must not be farther away than 15 meters of the injection point. This is the end of the installation requirements. Thank you for watching.